लास्ट 8-9 साल से हम लोग मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. एंड लास्ट 8-9 साल से हम लोग वी वर ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन SEO एंड एडवर्ड्स, बिकॉज दैट वाज द ईजिएस्ट वे. एंड वी नो कि हम लोग अवेलेबल हैं वहाँ पे और लोग हमारे पास आ रहे हैं. बट वी हैड नो क्लू हाउ टू रीच टू आवर ऑडियंस. कौन हमारा ऑडियंस है एंड हाउ टू रीच देम. मतलब हमारी तरफ से पुश मार्केटिंग नहीं हो रही थी. इट वाज ऑलवेज वन वे कम्युनिकेशन कि वो जिनको रिक्वायरमेंट है वो आ रहे थे, हमको ढूंढ रहे थे. सो नाउ वी आर एट अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर वी नो कि हु आर आवर टारगेट ऑडियंस एंड हाउ टू रीच देम एंड व्हाट आर द प्लेटफॉर्म विच वी कैन यूज. सो फेसबुक से हमारी लीड आनी शुरू हो गई है, जो हम लोग 8 साल से कोशिश कर रहे थे, पोस्ट कर रहे थे, बट कोई लीड नहीं आई थी. बट नाउ इट स्टार्टेड कमिंग इन. ईमेलर्स से हमारी काफ़ी कन्वर्जन आने लग गए हैं. So that ways we are getting a lot of people who can actually recall the brand of Epack. So that communication has changed, and I mean the total platform which we were using earlier has totally transformed. The communication has transformed. The costs have come down, because earlier we had a very expensive guy. Now we don't have that guy anymore, and we have cheaper staff who is doing the same work. And the agencies who were giving us reports which we did not understand the whole report, now we started understanding that. So the whole dynamics has changed in the marketing side. And apart from marketing, the conversion part as well. मतलब पहले हमारा लीड्स तो आ जाती थी, बट कन्वर्ट होने में कन्वर्जन इशू बहुत कम था. नाउ इट स्टार्टेड टू गो अप ड्रास्टिकली. So I think that whole marketing platform and sales strategy has changed. We were at 2.3% conversion ratio, and last 2 weeks it was 4.6%, 4.6, 4.7%, wow. Almost doubled. The conversion ratio has doubled. So on that we've seen the number of inquiries generation has reduced, but number of order booking and the conversion has increased. So that ways efforts are less, but the conversions are more.
Yes.
And the sales have doubled. I mean, the number of orders that are coming from big clients. The ticket size of the orders has increased. Our perception in terms of the clients, which we think is very, very. We are dealing with L&Ts and the Shahpurjis and the Tatas, so they are all big players. So for them, we are the premium player in this market.
Suppliers.
In this product, we are the market leaders in this. So with that positioning we have created. So that has actually immensely helped us in the conversion. So thank you a lot for this insight and all the learning.
Great.
Thank you.